This 2022 Cruiser RV MPG MPG 2720BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Cruiser RV is 31 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 10, DVD player, oven, leveling jacks, awning, spare tire kit, stove top burner, skylight, auxiliary battery, microwave, water heater, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Cruiser RV MPG MPG 2720BH is 6,198 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.